That's it.
The red one, right?
Yeah.
I can't hear it.
That's gonna be.
I can't hear
That's
it.
incredible.
That's it, dude.
I can't hear it.
That is amazing.
Where are we
Guys,
supposed to
the
hear it?
direction where to look was a little off. It's really south versus southeast.
It's actually coming toward us.
Yeah. Look how bright it's getting now.
I'm going down.
Go. It's fine.
You put a binoculars, and that's amazing. I should put that camera stuff. Yeah.
I got a pretty good view through this too.
Yeah, you can really pull in with that digital.
I wonder if I take it off night.
There'll be a separation going on here shortly.
I took it off night vision.
Yeah, when it separates, it'll be a kind of flash.